I would say intuition is its hidden wisdom.
So basically any place in your body that can hold trauma is also a potential for holding wisdom.
Mm-hmm.
It also brings up the idea that if people have restrictions from traumatic experiences in their body, it can impact their ability to access intuition.
If there's a lot of trauma held in the body, it's going to trump the intuition. Prior to this latest amount of research, I would have explained intuition as life lessons that you've picked up, but you can't remember consciously everything that you've experienced in life, but these patterns get embedded deeper and deeper into your brain, into the limbic system. Neurons that fire together wire together. You have your working memory in the outer cortex, things you need to remember every day. Deeper in the limbic system are these patterns and wisdom that you've picked up in life that can go deeper through the brainstem and spinal cord and in the gut neurons, and that's why it's been called gut instinct for longer than we've understood all this, which also tells you somebody must have known something about how intuition is stored in the gut. But that limits it to the neuron. The serotonin hypothesis adds in the fact that the rest of the tissues of your body can also be holding trauma or hidden wisdom. So people think that serotonin is to do with mood, but that's actually one of its smallest functions. Up to 95% of serotonin is produced outside of the central nervous system and cannot cross the blood-brain barrier. So that serotonin does, plenty of other functions in the body, but the word serotonin actually comes from serum and tone. So serum is blood, plasma, and tone is how that hormone affects the capillary constriction or dilation, which then affects how much oxygen and nutrients go into tissues and how those tissues constrict or expand. That's what drives what I call hidden wisdom and trauma into the tissues of the body.